Hi everyone, this is Theo with TCL Moka. This is our DS60 digital signage products. It features 32, 43, 50, and 55 and 65 inch. And as you can see, it's 4 even bezel up to a 9mm narrow bezel. And also, since it's ELED, ELED, its thickness is down to 39.5 millimeters, and all of them are 4K displays with high brightness up to 700 nits. And we support, as you can see, it supports portrait and landscape orientation. It runs 24/7, and also we have our in-house CMS software to core M sign if you need to do a content distribution and content management on the go. And this is also our product that we do with the BrightSign CMS. Over here on the can we move? Yes. Over here on the DS60P, we built a BrightSign media player HS145 into our display. Otherwise, the display is similar, and also it supports the ecosystem of BrightSign. And for more information about our products, visit www.mokadisplay.com.